Taking care of our mental health is as important as physical health, but we often overlook it. Life gets busy, and mental well-being can take a backseat. The truth is that small changes can lead to big improvements. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 easy tips that you can start today to transform your mental health. Whether you're looking for more emotional balance, less stress, or greater focus, these tricks will help you feel like yourself again. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Practice mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is one of the simplest ways to calm your mind and body. It helps you stay grounded and reduces stress almost instantly. How to do it? Find a quiet spot and sit comfortably. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 3-5 minutes whenever you feel overwhelmed. Why it works? Mindful breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body and reduces stress. With consistent practice, you'll find it easier to handle anxiety and tension. Tip number 2. Move your body every day. You don't need to be a gym rat to boost your mental health. Any form of movement, whether it's walking, stretching, dancing, or yoga, can release endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. What you can do? Take a 10-minute walk during lunch breaks. Stretch for 5 minutes in the morning. Dance to your favorite song when you're feeling low. Try a yoga session to relax your mind and body. Regular movement improves your mood, sharpens your mind, and lowers stress levels. Even small bursts of physical activity can make a huge difference in your emotional well-being. Tip number 3. Practice gratitude journaling. Writing down the things you're grateful for is an effective way to shift your mindset. It helps you focus on the positive, even during tough times. How to start? Grab a journal or notebook. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. Reflect on what made those moments meaningful. Example: I'm grateful for my morning coffee. I had a great chat with a friend. The sunset was beautiful today. Gratitude journaling rewires your brain to focus on the good, promoting long-term happiness and mental clarity. Tip number 4. Set healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's necessary for your mental well-being. Saying no to things that drain your energy creates space for what truly matters. Steps to set boundaries. Identify areas where you feel overwhelmed or overcommitted. Practice saying no politely but firmly. Example: I appreciate the offer, but I won't be able to take that on right now. Communicate your needs clearly to family, friends, and colleagues. Boundaries help you prioritize your mental health by reducing stress and avoiding burnout. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Tip number 5. Stay connected and talk it out. Talking to someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or therapist, can do wonders for your mental health. Sharing your thoughts reduces emotional burden and provides perspective. Ways to stay connected. Reach out to a friend and plan a catch-up call. Join a support group for people experiencing similar challenges. Consider seeing a mental health professional if you need extra support. Sometimes, just knowing someone is there to listen makes all the difference. Connection reminds us that we're not alone, even during the hardest times. Bonus tip. Limit screen time and social media use. While technology keeps us connected, too much screen time can negatively impact mental health. Social media, in particular, can trigger stress and comparison. How to cut back? Set a daily screen time limit on your phone. Take social media breaks when needed. Replace scrolling with healthier habits like reading, drawing, or journaling. Reducing screen time gives your mind space to recharge, improves focus, and promotes better sleep, another key factor for good mental health. Wrapping it all up, these 5 easy tips: mindful breathing, daily movement, gratitude journaling, setting boundaries, and staying connected, are powerful tools for transforming your mental health. You don't need a major life overhaul to feel better, just small, intentional steps every day. Remember, mental health is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself as you implement these changes, and know that progress takes time. What's your first step? Now it's your turn. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Comment below and let me know. And if this video resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more mental health tips and self-care strategies. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's support each other on this journey to better mental well-being, because your mental health matters. Taking care of your mental health doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about building small, positive habits over time that lead to lasting change. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who could use a little mental health boost. Together, we can make self-care a priority. Until next time, stay mindful, stay connected, and take care of yourself. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your progress and tag me in your journey. I'd love to cheer you on. Let's build a community that prioritizes mental wellness together.